of you in the wind. I saw your smile in the soft sunlight, in the blue wind. It flutters like flower petals. Your name that I miss, I call it with tears. Under stars, your lovely eyes, our story engraved deep in my heart. I miss you, I love you, I always remember you. Forever and ever, I always remember you. I'm missing you under the moonlight. I hope I can feel your warmth holding your memories. I whisper to the night sky your name that I miss. I call it with tears under the starlight. My heart, and this is my love, our story engraved deep in my heart. Recalling you in the whisper of the wind. I miss the days we spent together. I remembering you forever. I will sing you in this song.